In this video, we'll take a look at what the bicycle currently looks like, what it used to look like, what it looked like when I got it out of storage and put it back together, and there'll be two short video clips of how the gears work. These old photographs you're looking at now, this is what it looked like when I first put it together in 1984. This was an old Schwinn fastback. The pictures you're looking at now is what the bicycle looked like after I put it back together. It had been in storage for 27 years. This slow motion video shows you how the gears and chains function. You may want to watch the welds or perhaps the set screws to watch which direction the gears are going. You might also watch the valve stem on the front rim to get an idea of the rotation of the tire. The next video will have sound so that you can hear what the gears and sprockets sound like while you would be riding it. This last photo is just a few of my bicycles that I had out while I was taking pictures of this one.